Well, folks, today is the day. Kruella is finally ready for his first test drive. These are the leftover parts, but there's no reason to be concerned. I have saved the last part so that everybody can witness the last thing to go on to Kruella. So here we go. Putting this in. This is the last real part. All right. Okay, she's got to come down. All right, she's down. Come around this way so you can see me start it. It's gonna be so embarrassing if it doesn't start. Okay.
You got room, a little bit of room. You keep going, yeah.
The view in here reminds me of Shooting Bang Bang, like the lens scene, like where they shoot a fly and all you see is the noise. Alright, good to scout. Now we are going to go on a quick test drive just around Clintonville and just kind of make sure everything works. I can already tell the gas gauge is kind of strange. Don't know what's going on there. And the reverse camera only worked the first time, so I'm not sure what would cause that. Let's see what else goes wrong while we drive. With no license plate, no registration, completely illegal. Don't forget to show Scout. Okay, let's wait for... Whoa! Here comes a car.
Whoa!
Okay, what was that?
Whoa.
There's things.
All right.
There's things.
Turn left.
There's things. There's noises.
That, yeah, I did not like that noise.
Just one crunchy noise.
Oh, okay.
One little crunchy noise. Okay. One little crunchy noise. Okay. Getting some views from the hood. The brakes are a little stiff too.
Yeah, the brake is very strong.
Well, it's hard to push. I think this car is going to have a lot of rattles anyway.
Kind of like my car. You should just
go, lady.
I think that's a guy.
Okay, well, whatever you are. Go. All right, here we go. Oh, you know what? Some of the clanking was probably the door panels because they're not attached.
No, I heard the noise from, like, I don't know, that area.
That seemed to be very strong. Really hard to push. Okay, we're headed back to the driveway.
Alright, this is the moment of truth.
That was a fairly successful test drive.
I agree.
I definitely have some things to check. But the blinker works. That's exciting.
Oh, yeah. It's not making the usual blinker noise. Do you know what I'm talking about?
I don't know what kind of like noisemakers in it. Are you waiting for me to go? Okay.
Right, our driveway is a bit steep.
Alright, I'm gonna wait till there's no traffic, so I'm gonna kind of whip out that way.
You should go now. Yeah, that was a really wide turn.
Yeah, I did that on purpose.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, open the garage door. Okay, that is it for the test drive. That was fairly successful. I definitely have some things to check out though. We're going to put it in the garage, and I think the main thing I need to check is why the brakes are so stiff. Okay, thanks for watching.